You're pretty proud of yourself, aren't you?
He's like, Grandma, you seeing this guy?
Are we related somehow?
Hi. Oh, would you like to take a picture, Noah?
Oh, you always be looking to get the camera out,
Grandma,
don't you?
Grandma, Dad, Grandpa, Dad.
Oh.
Hey.
Shrek you. That is you.
Are you done with workout?
Thank you.
Oh.
This is for you.
Does he want to order anything?
Would you like to, your mom's asking if you'd like to order anything? You want to order out? Yeah, well, they just had like, you know, the plain snacks and, you know.